Long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, I picked up photography back when I was 14. Then went to school for it, got some classes in it, got an art studio minor, and of all things, I ended up shifting into videography and doing a lot of stuff, which is on the camera I currently have up there, a VG-20. So, after a lot of deliberation, I have picked up the Sony Alpha A6000. I did a lot of research. The deciding factor for me was I needed something that would take emount lenses, since I already invested quite a bit in the kit. So now, 6 years later, I've decided to dive in. This took a lot of deliberation because it was once I had actually settled on the A6000, I had decided and looked into, well, which model? Well, do you want the white? Do you want the silver? Do you want the black? A lot of people favor black for a more professional look, and I did too until I was thinking about what I'm going to be doing with it, and a little more stylistic and a little more professional. Okay. Battery, charger, camera strap, USB, eyepiece, and the darling. I opted for silver for a little more stylish, a little more retro look, and just the amazing quality that this is. So, tiltable LCD screen, and of course, the big reason why I opted for a Sony emount is because I still have all of the kit from my VG, which I'm still videoing on. So you can see here is the Sony A6000 with the 18 to 200 emount. Now it is time to get back into what I do best, getting back into shooting.